does pee on our floor. That's why his name is Champy. He's waving to the crowd. Bye, 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 bye.
That's right, Champy, bark.
And this is a Spocky. A little bit big and fat, but he actually weighs quite a bit. He weighs more than Shep. This kind of dog is good for, well, he can hunt frogs. It's a good frog hunting dog. Back in the 1600s, they used it for chasing crickets and retrieving dead mice that the cats have caught before. That's our second dog. This now is our third dog of the day. They look like a cat, but actually it's a dog. It's good for retrieving deer and antelope.
What does it eat?
Frogs. They all eat frogs.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This particular dog is also noted for its big bark. It loves to live in high places and sing meow songs. Ouch. That hurt. Hey, Champy. You might think it looks like the first dog, but actually this is the third one of the group. It's good for shitting on floors, peeing on floors, and its Latin name is Champino.
Champy! Hi, puppy! Hi, puppy! Champy! Over here! Yeah! Smile, Champy!
This dog also has good imitations. That's the Chinese style. Get me skiing, man.
And that is what's known as a stupid idiot.
No. Not what I want.
Is that on?
Welcome to Scuttlebutt Lodge. Welcome to Scuttlebutt Lodge.
Got you, Murph. Yeah. You're all dirty.
No. Whoa.
Why are you eating my hair, Jerry Dick? Get down. Get off the furniture. Our dog has a fit.
Whoa.
No, Shem. No, don't be so rough. Is he being rough with you, little Murph?
And that's it from Scuttlebutt Lodge. Oh, okay. Ming's gonna do strip tease. Oh.
Who's there, Shep? Get him!
Oh, that's not right, though.
Shep, get him!
Coming up in your area, October 18th, the Lions will play the Hamilton Tiger Cats. On October 19th, the Toronto Argonauts are home to Ottawa. On October 19th, the Edmonton Eskimos entertain...
As soon as I get the camera on him, he doesn't bark.
...a hard fun game on the 1st of November.
I don't know.
Tickets to a hard fun game is purchased at a tip-top store. 50% of the price you pay will go directly to the hard fun. 1-0 the score. The Winnipeg Blue Bombers leading the Ottawa Rough Riders. And the Ottawa Rough Riders are scrimmaging from their own 35-yard line.
There's Nippers!
Before being stopped, he was met by Bob Molly, the nose guard. And it will be second. Rough Riders are two Canadian running backs, Robert Reed and Jim Reed. I think it could be interesting to watch the Lions trying to implement what he wants to do versus the run and shoot that the Ottawa Rough Riders have used all year.
Where's Luckers?
The Ottawa Rough Riders in receptions, unable to hang on. They made a diving attempt at that Gilbert Renfro just across the 45-yard line. The Ottawa Rough Riders are forced into a punting situation as Ken Clark.
You guys are good doorbells.
Player in the CFL who has indicated he will also be his
Hey, Dad.
You can't.
do the punting. He'll stand
You can't what?
Too dark in here.
Oh, okay.
another excellent kick by Clark. His first traveled 44 yards. This appears to be even better. James Jefferson to get no further than the 25-yard line after that.
There's Ming. Doesn't let her pussycat do anything.
To make the tackle. Well, that was good coverage by the Ottawa Rough Riders. They've had two series now.
She treats the cat nicer than she treats me all the time.
The other one is a missed field goal. Now the Ottawa defense is coming up with some big plays, and if the offense can generate something real fast for Ottawa, so they can put a little pressure on Winnipeg. But we know that Winnipeg offense is so explosive they can score it.
The master. and his dog.
Murphy comes out to the right on this first down play from the 26-yard line. The fake
Oh.
to the receiver and the handoff to John Keogh. He's
Gonna tape the teeth, their game.
handoff from John Update.
Yeah.
Terrific. You want to tape it? I'll put a tape there. Say cheese.
Here comes the camera crew.
CFTO coming through.
And this is... What? And this is the cook. And this is what she's cooked.
Oh, this is what she's eating.
I can't focus on that.
It's not on my plate.
And there's the happy.
Look how the fat lady sweats.
Yeah.
Let's watch Steph take this big bite.
Let's watch Stephanie make a real glutton of herself.
Oh, come on. Let's watch the camera wear turkey dinner.
Cameraman.
Let's watch the turkey working the camera.
Yeah.
Turkey.
And there's... You can see the dogs are underneath the table. One.
Is everybody looking or what?
Or what?
Give me a toast. Salute.
Salute.
Come on, Dad, get your beer in the air.
We're too busy eating. Oh, look.
Man, this thing takes a long time.
There's
Just take one.
Classy.
You can make
Ron eating a whole pie.
You can make all the fuss you want. Doesn't bother me at all. Yeah, I just have a piece of cake there. You'll look like me soon. I look like you at your age.
Sing some for me when I come up this week.
You can take them home with you.
Oh, I'm going right now.
There's cake here for you.
Oh, okay.
Actually, can I have a little piece of ice cream?
Sure.
Oh, they got nuts on this cake? What's this stuff all over the sides here?
Oh, no, that's
It's a
No.
cherry jubilee.
This?
that's coconut.
Oh, you're right.
Well,
Well,
I don't eat it
Coconut?
either, but
Is
I don't know
there
if it's
anything on the inside?
No,
Yeah, I think there is.
No, just cherries. Just a bit of
Sure.
cherry. It's white.
Oh, are
cherry.
you gonna have a piece of pie?
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Really?
no nuts.
You better not eat it then.
Have apple
Don't eat it,
pie.
Rob.
Oh, okay, here, pass it to you, right?
Don't eat it, Rob.
You can eat around it. Just don't
No, I can't eat the icing. Yeah, the icing's got it all over it. I can see it here.
No, not coconut. It doesn't drop. That's just cherry.
That's
cherry.
coconut.
That's
there.
a nut.
You don't
Cherry.
say cherry on the top. It's just cherries, Rob.
Don't eat it.
Rob, don't eat it.
But if in doubt, don't.
Yeah, that's right. In doubt. Sorry, I wish I could.
Rob, go ahead. Eat a big piece. See what happens.
Well, get the
Just test it.
Sure. Last time I did that, I had a piece of Adolfo's cake.
Since my
At
dad
work. Adolfo was our head receiver. And he had some type of marble cake, and it had nuts in it. I
And
didn't
then-
feel too good for the rest of the day.
And you went, "Bleh."
Exactly.
Ralph.
No, thank you.
Well, Rob,
Sorry,
if you're
guys.
not going to eat the cake, Rob, we'll give you a piece of
I'm
pie.
not eating anything. I'm fine.
He doesn't need it.
No need. It's right.
Gary,
Right.
are you having a piece of apple pie?
Let's see how much cake that Steph's eating. Boy, look at that big piece. Quite large.
I got a piece of apple pie.
Oh, and ice cream. No pie.
Where's your? You didn't get it.
Can't believe I didn't feel that.
Didn't even get half.
No, I haven't had any because I'm gonna be thin.
Hey, look at that. That's killing me.
I never eat dessert.
Okay, Gary, you ready to go, Gary?
Hunting?
You want to go down?
Well, I'll take this, Ron.
You want to go down the aisle?
One thing.
That was down there.
Yeah, Ron, you go with.
Or Cheetos can be.
Tell me about it,
I just let them sit there, fly around, come back in. Oh, shoot them.
I would have blasted their heads off. You two guys go hunting, and I'll be Kurt Gowdy and the American Sportsman.
I need some Magnum shells, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Harry Johnson, after he tries to get the puck past him. It's present arms. You get 2 for that, and here's what happens when 2 guys high stick.
For on a penalty to number 20, Kerry Johnson, 2 minutes high sticking, 2 minutes slashing.
White Evans takes a stronger approach with Kent Herbeck of the Twins.